Let's smash a huge myth right now. You've heard it a million times. It takes money to make money. People say this like it's a law of physics. They say it to make themselves feel better about not starting. But I'm here to tell you it's completely wrong. The truth is, you don't need a single dollar to start building wealth. You don't need a trust fund. You don't need a winning lottery ticket. All you need is something you already have in abundance. It's your time. It's your skills. It's your willingness to just get started. That is the real currency. That is your seed capital. Visual. Think about it this way. Every single dollar in the world was created from an idea or an action. Someone had to provide a service. Someone had to create a product. Money is just a tool we use to measure that value. So, the real secret isn't having money first. The secret is creating value first. And creating value costs nothing but effort. You can start today, right now from your couch, with literally $0 in your bank account. The biggest barrier isn't your wallet. It's the belief that you can't do it. We are going to change that today, step by step. The story of wealth isn't written by people who were handed a pile of cash. It's written by those who saw an opportunity where others saw nothing. They leveraged what they had, often just their own two hands, and a brain full of ideas. Look at Jan Koum, the co-founder of WhatsApp. He grew up on food stamps. He started WhatsApp with his co-founder Brian Acton. They saw a need. They didn't have a massive venture capital fund to begin with. They had a skill and a vision. That skill and vision eventually sold to Facebook for $19 billion. That's not a story about money making money, it's a story about value creating money. So, let's reset your entire mindset. It starts with the decision to use what you have, not what you don't. The internet has leveled the playing field completely. The tools are free, the opportunities are everywhere. The only missing ingredient is you taking that first step. Let's take it together. Your single greatest asset is not in your pocket. It's between your ears. You have skills right now that people are willing to pay for. Seriously. You might think they're not special. You might think everyone can do what you do. That's where you're wrong. Are you organized? That's a skill. People pay virtual assistants hundreds a week to organize their lives. Can you write a clear email? That's a skill. Businesses pay copywriters thousands to craft messages that sell. Can you play the guitar, bake a decent cake? Are you good at video games? All skills, all marketable. The first step is to do a simple inventory. Grab a piece of paper or open a notes app. Don't judge, just write. List everything you're good at. List everything you enjoy doing. This can be anything from being a good listener to fixing a leaky faucet. Think about what your friends and family ask you for help with. Do they ask you to proofread resumes, TV advice, packing a moving truck? These are all clues, signals you have a valuable skill. Once you have your list, it's time to figure out how to monetize it without spending a dime. The internet is your best friend here. Go to websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Facebook Marketplace. These are platforms where people are actively looking for help. You can create a profile for free. You can list your services for free. If you're good at graphic design, using a free tool like Canva, offer social posts for small businesses. If you're a good writer, write blog posts, product descriptions. Your only investment is the time it takes to set up your profile. Don't worry about being the absolute best. You don't have to be. You just have to solve someone's problem. Maybe a local bakery needs Instagram help but can't afford an agency. You can do that from your phone. Maybe a busy pro needs gift ideas. You can do that with a few hours of Googling. Start small, price competitively to get your first clients and some positive reviews. The goal isn't to get rich overnight. The goal is to prove the concept. You can make money from nothing. Welcome to the digital gold rush. Unlike the gold rushes of the past, you don't need a pickaxe or mule. You just need an internet connection. There are countless ways to generate income online with zero upfront cost. Let's start with one of the easiest, taking online surveys and participating in market research. Companies are desperate for opinions and will pay you. Prolific user testing. It might only be a few dollars here and there at first, but it's money you didn't have before. Earn from your couch. Next up is content creation. This sounds intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. You don't need a fancy camera or studio. Your smartphone is more than enough. You can start a YouTube channel, a TikTok account, an Instagram page. If you're great at gardening, share tips. If you love budget cooking, share your recipes. It costs nothing to upload a video. As you build an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing. You're turning your knowledge into a free 24/7 asset. Another powerful zero-cost hustle is affiliate marketing. Recommend products you like. If someone buys via your link, you get a commission. Best part? Most programs are free to join. Amazon Associates, You can write a blog post using a free platform like Medium, Blogger, reviewing your favorite headphones. Include your affiliate link. Post your link on social media. You're essentially creating a digital salesperson that works while you sleep. Finally, don't overlook community management and moderation. Facebook groups, Discord servers, creators need help keeping them safe, engaging, running smoothly. Many will pay moderators or community managers. If you're already active in a community you love, reach out to the owner. Offer to help for free initially to prove your value. Show them you can handle spam, encourage discussion, welcome new members. This can quickly turn into a paid remote gig you do from home, all because you offered your time first. Now let's talk about flipping, acquiring something for free and selling it for a profit. Your first thought might be, but I need money to buy things to flip. Wrong, we're on the $0 plan. The secret is to find things for free. They are everywhere. People give items away to avoid the hassle. Your mission, be the person who takes that hassle off their hands. Your treasure map is the free section of platforms like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, Nextdoor. People give away everything. Furniture, electronics, books, exercise equipment, you name it. Scan listings daily. Look for items with perceived value. Solid wood dresser, needs paint. TV labeled broken, might need a cord. Stack of textbooks from a grad. Arrange pickup, your only investment. Time and maybe some gas. Bring it home. The real work begins. The magic is presentation. Clean it thoroughly. Small cleaning dramatically raises perceived value. Tighten screws, touch up scratches. Then, take good pictures. Don't use dark, blurry garage photos. Take it outside in daylight. Get clear shots from multiple angles. Write a clear, honest description. Example: sturdy mid-century modern-style accent chair perfect for a reading nook. You're selling a vision, now listed on the same platforms. Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, OfferUp. This time, list in the paid section at a fair price. Dresser you cleaned, list for $100. Bike that needed air, list for $75. Profit margin is huge, cost was $0. First sale =, massive psychological win. You created money from thin air. Reinvest the $100 and do it again, or buy low-cost thrift items to flip for bigger profit. You've started the engine. In the 21st century, the most valuable asset you can build for free is an audience. An audience is just a group of people who know, like, and trust you. When you have an audience, you don't search for customers, they come to you. Building one costs time and consistency. It can be 100 on an email list, 500 on TikTok, or 1,000 on YouTube. An engaged audience is a direct line to income, and it's an asset no one can take from you. It's your personal brand and your distribution channel. How do you start? Pick one platform and focus. Don't try to be everywhere at once. If you're a good writer, start a blog on Medium or a newsletter on Substack. Free. If you're comfortable on camera, pick YouTube or TikTok. Visual, Instagram or Pinterest. The platform matters less than the value you provide. Based on your skills, start sharing what you know. Don't ask for anything. Just give, give, give. Your best tips, your biggest mistakes, your most helpful insights. Consistency is the secret sauce. You can't post once and expect overnight success. Show up regularly. This builds trust and tells the algorithm you're serious. Commit to a schedule you can actually stick to. Maybe one short video a day or one newsletter a week. Over time, people will notice. They'll follow because you provide real value for free. They'll share because it helped them. This is how you build a community from scratch. Once you have even a small, engaged audience, you have endless ways to monetize. Launch a digital product like a short ebook or guide, offer coaching or consulting, use affiliate links or do sponsorships. The beauty? You built this asset for free. You own it. It can pay you for years. You've made your first dollars. $50 freelance, $100 flipping a chair. The temptation is to spend it. But the snowball effect starts now. I'm not talking about reinvesting the money yet. Reinvest your time and momentum. You've proven the concept. You've tasted victory. Now double down. If a freelance skill worked, actively look for 2 more clients. Use your first review as social proof. Raise your prices slightly. You're reinvesting success into better, higher-paying work, building a bigger income snowball. Same with flipping. Instead of pocketing $100, find 2 more free items. This time, better photos, better keywords, faster workflow. Your primary asset, time, is producing a higher return. You're not just flipping items, you're building a system, a repeatable process you execute faster each time. This creates a powerful feedback loop. The more you do something, the better you get. The better you get, the more you can charge or the faster you can work. This increases your earning per hour. Invest in your human capital. Turn your time into a high-yield asset. Momentum is contagious. Keep rolling that snowball until it becomes an unstoppable avalanche of wealth. This isn't just theory, this isn't just a motivational speech, real people do this every day. Gary Vaynerchuk started by turning his family's liquor store into Wine Library TV. His investment, a cheap camera, and his knowledge, no ad spend. He consistently created valuable content, reviewing wines. He built an audience from scratch and grew a $3 million family biz into $60 million. Starting cost, effectively zero. Consider Ryan starting the financial diet. It didn't start as a business. It was a personal blog to improve money habits. Cost, zero. Free platform, honest writing, people related. An audience grew around authenticity. Today it's a media company, massive YouTube channel, a website, and books. It all started with one person sharing for free. On a smaller scale, offer a first dog walk free. Prove reliability. Free walks turn into paid daily walks. Word of mouth spreads. Soon, hiring help. A local business generating thousands a month built on trust, not cash. Common thread, no loans, no fat bank account. They started with a skill, a passion, or an idea, used free tools, stayed consistent, built an audience or client base by giving first, creativity and hustle over capital. Your story can be next. The path is there. It's been walked. Take the first step. As you start, know what not to do. The path is filled with shiny objects and tempting shortcuts. Visual emphasis. Get rich quick. Visual emphasis. Paralysis. Visual emphasis. Burnout. You'll see ads promising $10K/month if you pay $997 for a course. Run away. Real wealth is built brick by brick, not with a magic button. If someone promises guaranteed, fast, easy money, they're selling you a dream. And you are the customer. Analysis paralysis. So much researching, planning, learning that you never do anything. You watch 100 videos on starting YouTube but never record. You read every flipping book but never pick up that free dresser. Stop learning and start doing. Your first attempt won't be perfect. 1 hour of doing beats 100 hours of watching. Progress over perfection. Beware burnout. The first dollars are exciting, addictive. Don't work 18-hour days flipping, freelancing, and creating content all at once. It's not sustainable. Treat it like a marathon. Consistency beats intensity. Avoid lifestyle inflation. You made $200. Don't upgrade your phone or wardrobe. Every dollar is a tool, a seed. Use it to live while you invest more time, or get one upgrade that boosts capacity, like a better mic. Don't increase spending, increase earning capacity, live lean, fuel the engine. We've covered it all. We've smashed the myth, we've identified your skills, we've laid out free strategies online and offline to generate income. We've seen real people build from zero. You have the blueprint, you have the map, you have proof. The only thing left is action, not tomorrow, not next week, right now. Look at the date. Today is 2025, September 11th. Remember this day. This is the day you stop making excuses. The perfect time is a myth. The perfect idea is discovered through action. The money comes after you create the value. Your journey starts with one small step. Homework. Option 1, find one free item to flip. Option 2, create a free Fiverr Upwork profile and list a service. Option 3, record a 30-second tip and post to TikTok or Shorts. Don't overthink it, just do it. The tools are free, the knowledge is yours. The opportunity is waiting. Your time is now, go get it.